What's up, winners? So we did it. We did it. SNEK now has a tier 1 listing. Shout out to Kraken. Just doing this live stream here. I think it's only fair, being that I was the first YouTuber to talk about SNEK, and now we did it. SNEK Cardano has its first native asset, the meme coin SNEK, with the tier 1 listing. Shout out to Kraken, US exchange, by the way. So we're going to go over all those details here and just talk about it. Want to briefly say thank you for 5,000 subscribers. That's amazing, huge. Love you guys. I appreciate you. Please consider becoming a YouTube channel member for additional perks or just to show some support, or just go ahead and like, subscribe if you haven't, and share this live stream. So thank you so much. Let me go ahead and drop this link here on some people. And then I can start sharing my screen and letting you know what's up. But yeah, we did it. 5,000 subscribers. Thank you for that. And also, um, just want to come celebrate the 5,000 with you guys here on. Let's see. Yeah, I have a new software, so bear with me here. And then we'll go ahead and get started. Awesome. Okay, so I'm at work, so go ahead and show some love, please, some support. Thank you so much. But let's go ahead and begin here with the reasons of why I'm bullish on SNEK. Okay, so personally, I know the team, um, and they're a bunch of really great guys, very trustworthy and very hardworking. Um, so shout out to Goofy Crisp. Um, I mean, he just went full time in on SNEK and left his Web 2 job. So that speaks volumes, and that was huge. And that was very, very early um, on this SNEK journey, right? We didn't know where it was going or how big it was going to get or what it was going to be. It was just a bunch of friends having fun, right? And by that, I mean a lot of us chill cons back then. We were just, you know, supporting each other, hanging out, back before Cardano even had smart contracts. So it's very rewarding. It's very exciting to be here this far. And for those that are new to Cardano, welcome. We're going to go over a little bit about SNEK and how we got here. But SNEK is now going to be on Kraken. That's Cardano's first tier 1 centralized exchange listing. We're going to go over that as well. Why is huge, why I'm bullish. But 2025 is the year of the SNEK. Remember, Chinese New Year starts next month. So personally, I'm going to keep on buying. But let me go and share my screen here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you have not. All right, I appreciate the support. Okay, so let's see. Share screen. Entire screen. Yeah, I'm just going to share the entire screen, whatever. Okay, so these are Goofy Crisp, the founder of SNEK. These are his 7 reasons why SNEK can hit a $10 billion market cap. Market cap right now is about 600,000, so we're going to go over that. But number one is arguably the best branding and marketing in all meme coins. SNEK, SNEK.com. It's just those 4 letters, and I think he nails it right there when it comes to branding. So think about these brands. Nike, it's a perfect example. Just 4 letters. Nike.com, Nike everything, right? Or Trump the branding. Same thing. Trump Hotels, Trump Winery. Same thing with SNEK. SNEK this, SNEK that, etc. We're gonna go over some of the branding stuff here. Uh, and this is back from October 2024, so it's been about 5 months. So arguably the best branding and marketing in all meme coins. This is SNEK is one of the oldest crypto memes dating back to 2014. If you look at old, even Web 1.0, you could see people making or trying to make SNEK a meme. We'll save that for another video. Um, but it was first mentioned there. Okay. Now, number 3, Cardano or SNEK is Cardano. No other meme coin comes close to our level of importance, integration, and support with its level one. Um, that's true. When SNEK wins, Cardano wins. Even Charles Hoskins said we're all SNEK. When I interviewed the Dogecoin millionaire and I gave him a SNEK energy in person, he also grabbed my shoulder and he was like, "We're all SNEK." So he's a huge fan, and shout out to the Dogecoin millionaire. Number four, Cardano is a cult and SNEK is a cult within the cult. I mean, if you're looking to build your X account fast, just be pro SNEK, post about SNEK, join the SNEK Discord, have a snaky profile picture. Um, you'll get a lot of love and a lot of following, and you can get monetized easily. I do have a video on how to get monetized on X in 30 days. So if you're new here, just go ahead and subscribe and check out that list or that video for you on how to get monetized on X. Number five, built for sustainability with a deflationary supply. 700 plus memes, gifts, a legal structure, and an ecosystem treasury. I mean, it's really set up to succeed. We know on social media, memes and gifts go far, far way, especially when it comes to marketing the SNEK brand. Number six, innovative products that strengthen the SNEK economy and brand. We're going to go over some of those, but this is one of them as well, SNEK Energy. So shout out to my SNEK fam. Appreciate you powering me. And number seven, SNEK has one of the loudest, most passionate communities in all of crypto. And that's true. If you look at all these surveys that they do, as far as what's one of the most mentioned meme coins on X, you're always going to see SNEK in the top three. And then actually recently had more trading volume than Pudgy Penguins is Pingu. But shout out to my Pudgy Penguins fan. I love you guys too. A great project, great Wave3 brand. But this video today, or this live stream today, is about SNEK. Okay. But let's go over, right? So now you know why Goofy is bullish or why he thinks it's going to go to 10 billion and above market cap, which is very, very bullish. And again, we're still in the bear market. But then personally, me, I know the team, I know what they're about. I see, front of the lines, behind the scenes, etc. A great group of guys, awesome branding. I'm happy to call them my friends, know them in person. And I do believe, Cardano is definitely one of the better blockchain ecosystems out there, one of the better technologies. So it's huge. It's very exciting that we're here today. But let's go over how this got started, right? So I know I'm a little late to the game, but again, I thought it was only fair for the first YouTuber, me, that ever put a video up about SNEK to come in and talk about this huge milestone yesterday. All right, so we're talking about SNEK brands, right? Um, the website, SNEK.com, Twitter, @SNEK, Discord, SNEK Coin, Telegram, SNEK Coin ADA, right? These were early on, but now we have the energy drink, SNEK Energy, the trading bot, SNEKBot.io, the token minter, SNEKX.io, and the token launcher, SNEK.fun. I'm going to show you some of those a little bit later. If you're looking to build on Cardano, you definitely want to use some of these tools. You can you could launch your token or meme coin on SNEK.fun. You can use the token minter SNEKX.io to also launch there if you want. Or they even take snapshots for you. So whenever your holders, they're holding like a certain amount of NFTs, for example, you can use that tooling feature to go ahead and do that. Okay. And again, the energy drink, it's only 7 calories. I mean, go in and check it out. It's great. I did a live stream with Dap Central. Shout out to Dap Central. Congrats on 20,000, by the way, Dap Central. That's huge. That's huge, man. That's goals. That's motivating. I know you're in person. You're a great guy. You deserve all that success as well. So congrats on 20,000, Dap Central. All right. So those are some of the SNEK brands or SNEK products, SNEK socials. Um, very, very cool, right? So for those that are new to Cardano, welcome. Just want to give you a little rundown. Okay, so when we come to tier one centralized exchanges, right? We're pretty much talking about one of these. Um, yes, SNEK is on Mexi, but it's not available in the US, right? You definitely want the big US market. So Binance, mostly Chinese, right? Coinbase is one of the big go-to ones here in the US. But Kraken is the competitor. So Kraken is the first. Shout out to Kraken, the first US one to go ahead and list the SNEK. So they finally listened to our X posts, our tweets to list the SNEK, and they have. And It's huge. It's amazing. I think it's wonderful. I'm excited where this is going. So the cool thing is, when you usually when you get one tier one listing, um, it just starts a snowball effect, and everyone start listening too. Now we have had Binance in the past at the Cardano Summit. That was in October. Hence, that post or tweet from Goofy Crisp in October was right around the time of the Cardano Summit. Binance was there. Binance had a lot of meetings with some people, very important people, uh, possibly even SNEK. Not much was said about that, but they definitely looked at SNEK and they looked at other Cardano-native tokens and what's being built on Cardano. And the joke started from there, right? It's the year of the SNEK in China. Binance is Chinese. Let's go. But yeah, Kraken stepped up, accepted Cardano, and now Cardano's first native token is SNEK, and it's a tier one listing. So, in case you want to know more about the top exchanges, all right, centralized exchanges, this is the list here. Kraken being one of the top ones, one of the top five in the US. So huge, huge, huge. Go on to celebrate Papa SNEK. Um, it's very, very fun and good times. Okay. So let's go look at the tweet. Or actually, if you're not following Kraken, go ahead and do so. Kraken FX. So Kraken, usually FX stands for foreign exchange, but Kraken is your bridge to the world of crypto, spot, futures, margin, and T staking, OTC, buy, sell, trade, earn, explore, and learn. Need help? Kraken support. So U.S. company, 1.6 million followers. They are listing the SNEK. All right, so let's go over here. So Peter Dimitrakos, um, he's one of the shot callers, right? Asset listing out there on Kraken. He tweeted yesterday, about 24 hours ago exactly, welcome to our roadmap, SNEK. So we knew Pengu was going to be there, right? I mean, it just makes sense. We know how hard Ethereum and Solana brands get listed and how easy it is for them to pump. And the argument has always been, there's no liquidity on Cardano. So many times there was conversation between SNEK and these tier one exchanges, and they're asking for more volume, and we're giving them more volume and more transactions, but then the Cardano price drops. So now what you think is a million in volume becomes like 700,000 volume. So it's a big, 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 big day and very, very exciting. So SNEK is one of the tokens that is coming to Kraken. So volume is already up, right? All eyes are on Cardano, all eyes are on SNEK now. And you can see me there. Let's go SNEK, smart move. If you're not following me on X, go ahead and do so. Let me know. Drop your handle below, and I'll make sure to follow back. And again, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. So when we take a look at the SNEK price from this news yesterday, we can see it's up. I mean, earlier today was up like 70%, but it just shot up. Just boom. And then, it steadily keeps going up. So very, very cool. You can see here from blacknews.com, Justin Cardano ate a meme coin SNEK to be listed on Kraken Exchange. Current market cap is 490 million. And that's as of, whenever that was. So we're going to go over more of those details by going to SNEK.com. Again, like I said, branding wise, right? SNEK.com, just those four letters right there. Okay, so now there's almost 41,000 holders. 41,000 without a tier one centralized exchange listing. All right, almost 53,000 followers on X, 61 integrations, 657 memes, current market cap 518 million. Let me refresh this. I think this is up to date. 507 million. Maybe I shouldn't have refreshed that. The volume just in the last 24 hours is 10.6 million. That's without Kraken. 10.6 million without Kraken. That's amazing, right? And the DEX liquidity is 18.1 million. I know recently they haven't been burning a lot of SNEK like they have in the past because they're trying to reserve that for fees for these tier one centralized exchange listings. But again, shout out Goofy Chris, shout out Rami, man, shout out the whole SNEK team and crew, man. Love you guys. It's so, so exciting. Now, what this does is it opens up the conversation for what other tokens from Cardano can reach this status of a tier one centralized exchange listing. Hold up, I may have to sneeze. Excuse me, thank you. So it's like this now opens up the conversation for what's next. What other Cardano native token is going to be listed on a tier one centralized exchange? Is Coinbase now going to list SNEK now that they saw Kraken do it? Right? Because I know a lot of us are moving over to Kraken now simply because they showed SNEK some love. So just think about this volume here, 10.6 million, just moving over to Kraken because they listed the SNEK. Hence why I posted, smart move, because it really is. Okay. Um, it's awesome. But when we take a look at that, right? Um, we're like, what else can be listed here? And this chart right here is based on the market cap. So SNEK has a market cap of 510 million. Talos, which is not even a month old, has a market cap of 10 million. Yeah. And then World Mobile Token has a market cap of 228 million. IAG has a market cap of 107 million. So, and then we have Chad with a market cap of 10 million. Now, these are tokens that can possibly also now make it to a tier one centralized exchange listing. So it's like the floodgates are just opening up. And it's very exciting to see. I'm very thankful to be here today. What a time to be alive, honestly. If you follow me on X or YouTube, or right, we talk about everything financial literacy. And the way I see Cardano now is the way Microsoft, Apple, Starbucks, Amazon were back in 1991 when it was under $1, right? And then look at their stock now. That's where we're at with Cardano. And this first tier one centralized exchange listing is just going to open up the floodgates. Now we have a pro crypto president, right? So shout out to Trump. And we're expecting, just based on the Bitcoin cycle, a bull run, right? That's even without the ETFs, and without, pro crypto regulations, right? We always expect Bitcoin to follow this pattern. So this is the year. It's a great time to be alive. We're still very early, okay? But it's exciting that any of these coins and tokens might be next and might follow up and can do an easy 10x from here and maybe create new millionaires. We saw what the Trump meme coin did earlier this week. It created new millionaires, right? It's not even a week old and it's one of the top 15 coins in the world. So, wow, just very exciting. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for the love and support here. All right. And then one of the products I wanted to mention, aside from SNEK Energy, it looks a lot like Pump.Fun on Solana, if you're used to that, most likely. And you could pretty much come in, create your own meme coin, and then go ahead and trade it. Okay. So it's very easy. And then when it hits a 100K market cap, then it bonds and it creates that pool of liquidity so people can go ahead and trade it on the exchanges. So currently with the SNEK trending again because of the listing, we have Evo SNEK, we have Winsy launching today. So you want to check that out, SNEK.fun. If you're a creator, come in here, create your meme coin. You have a community, want to give them a spot to have fun, come in to SNEK.fun, go ahead and do so. Um, it's very fun, and you're going to be very, very early, I believe, because of that Kraken listing. That's not even live yet, but we know it's coming. We can see the volume pumping, and it's exciting to see where Cardano is going to be heading to in the near future, just this year alone. All right, so just wanted to come in here and do this live stream. I know it was unannounced and last minute, but it was only fair for the first YouTuber to talk about SNEK to come in and talk about this huge milestone. So winners, don't forget to go ahead and like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support that you've been showing me. Thank you again for 5,000. Don't forget to follow me on X. Just leave a comment here and I'll go ahead and follow you back. All right, winners, thank you for tuning in. Stay winning.